everyone, my name is Priya Singh and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel that is Priya's Thought. So I hope you all are doing good. So what we are going to learn in today's section, we are going to learn about types of fraction. So without any further ado, let's start today's session as well, right? So there are lots of types of fractions. So we are going to deal with 4 today, okay? And rest we will going to deal in the next class, okay? So first one is proper fraction. So what is the meaning of proper fraction basically, everyone? Where the fraction, where the numerator is less than the denominator, okay? So I am indicating numerator with n and denominator with d, okay? So numerator is less than denominator, okay? For example, I can say that 3 by 5, that is proper fraction. 4 by 7, that is proper fraction. You can see that here, that is numerator, that is denominator is big. So it is holding the numerator, right? न्यूमरेटर क्या है यहाँ पे छोटा है और डिनोमिनेटर क्या है बड़ा है. तो डिनोमिनेटर क्या कर रहा है न्यूमरेटर को एक तरह से होल्ड किए हुए, राइट? सो इस तरह से हम याद रखेंगे प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन का मतलब क्या हुआ, वेयर द न्यूमरेटर इज लेस देन द डिनोमिनेटर. Okay, now the second fraction we are going to learn, that is improper fraction. So the word itself tells the meaning improper fraction. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, यहाँ पर क्या होता है, numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Okay, numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Greater than या फिर न्यूमरेटर क्या होगा, बड़ा होगा डिनोमिनेटर से या तो डिनोमिनेटर के बराबर होगा, इक्वल देन डी. ओके, यू कैन सी दैट हियर. ओके, सो एग्जांपल क्या हम ले सकते हैं यहाँ पे, एनी एग्जांपल हम ले सकते हैं जिसमें हमारा जो न्यूमरेटर होगा वो डिनोमिनेटर से बड़ा होगा, राइट? लाइक 5/2, ये क्या है, ये हमारा इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है. दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. Now 7/3. This is also the example of improper fraction. Okay, so these all are known as improper fraction. Now let's understand the next type of fraction, that is, I can say that here we are going to learn about mixed fraction. So what is the meaning of mixed fraction, everyone? Basically, it is a combination of whole number. It is a combination of whole number and proper fraction. Whole number and proper fraction. Okay, just give me a second. Yeah, so it is a combination of whole number and proper fraction. Okay, like example, what you can take as example here, you can take example as 2 as a whole, right? And then you can take example as 2 as a whole, you can take, and what you can see here, just give me a second. So you can take 2 as a whole and 3/5. Okay, this is an example of mixed fraction. 3 as a whole, 4/5, right? Or I can take as denominator as different, right? 3 as a whole, 7/8, right? This is basically a combination of whole number. You can see that 3 and proper fraction where the numerator is less than the denominator, right? So ये क्या है, mixed fraction. Okay, we can take the example of mixed fraction as well, right? मान लो आपके पास 3 होल पिज्जा है और एक पिज्जा जो कि 8 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है, उसका 7th पार्ट आपके पास है, राइट? सो which part of the fraction you have 7/8 part ना, right? As a for the last pizza, for the 4th pizza. So total pizza कितना है आपके पास 3, 7/8 part of the pizza. Okay, I hope that is also clear. Now we will going to learn about the next fraction, everyone. That will going to be, I can say that, equivalent fraction. Okay, equivalent fraction. Basically, what happened in equivalent fraction, everyone? It represents a quantity. Okay, that is of, you can say that when the I can say that when you are representing a fraction whose pictorial representation are same, okay, then we called it as a equivalent fraction, right? Pictorial representation need to be same. Okay, pictorial representation same. So how can we represent here? Just give me a second. Okay. So we can take the example of here. I can say that figure. Okay. Let's take the example of figure as well. Okay. So suppose you have a circle here. Okay. And you have another circle also. Okay. Now this circle that is divided into 4 parts and one part is shaded here. Okay. And here you can see that this circle is divided into 8 equal parts. Okay, you can see that here. And here you can see that 2 part is shaded. Now, but when you look at the pictorial representation of the figure, you can see that in both the circle, here it is 1/4 part is shaded and here it is 2/4 part is 2 out of 8 part is shaded. But when you look at the pictorial representation, in both the circle, 1/4 part is shaded, right? That means it is representing equivalent fraction. Even when you reduce 2 by 8, how you can reduce 2 by 8? By dividing both 2 by 8 by equal number on both numerator and denominator. You can divide it by 2 on both numerator and denominator. When you are doing it, you are getting 1 by 4, right? So this is basically known as equivalent fraction. So I hope that is also clear. In further classes, we will going to learn more about equivalent fraction also, that how can we convert improper, that's of equivalent mixed fraction into that's of we are going to learn mixed fraction into improper fraction, as well as we will learn how to make equivalent fraction as well. Okay. So, and we will also going to learn about like fractions, unlike fractions. Okay. So that's it from my side for today, everyone. I will see you soon in the next session. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay. If you enjoyed it, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day to all.